The Life in the UK test certificate, so the unique reference number you get, does not expire, except that the government has committed in the past to replacing the Life in the UK test with a new British values test. So it's possible that you take the Life in the UK test, but then when the legislation changes, this would mean that you'd need to take the new British values test. You'd then likely not be able to rely on the Life in the UK test certificate, so that unique reference number you get, unless there's some kind of transitional provisions. Now, what's the probability of the Life in the UK test being replaced, and when will it be replaced? Well, the government was quite clear and unambiguous in saying citizenship should mean more than being able to win a pub quiz. We need to make it a British values test, and that's exactly what I will be bringing in. That was Sajid Javid speaking. So this announcement by the government was back in 2018, and it has not been implemented yet. But when you're asking how long is the Life in the UK test valid for, or when does the Life in the UK test expire, then bear in mind that the government has strongly criticised the existing test and said it will be replaced. We don't know when, but it's reasonable to assume that it would be before the end of the current government's term in office, or the next term if they win the next election. So although the Life in the UK test is technically unlimited, the reality is that it may not be valid indefinitely. It's likely to expire in the sense that you will no longer be able to rely on your unique reference number if the government introduces the new British values test. So once you take the Life in the UK test, it would be prudent to complete the process of applying for indefinite leave to remain within a reasonable period, or for citizenship, depending on what stage you're at. The reason the government wants to end the Life in the UK test is that it quizzes people on history, traditions, and everyday life. The government believes that it's based too much on the facts and not enough on values. The current Life in the UK test is tricky and fact-heavy. Do check out my free course on YouTube. Many hundreds of people have used it to successfully pass. If you'd like assistance with your indefinite leave to remain application, or your application to naturalise as a British citizen, then feel free to contact me using my consultation service. The link is in the description just below.